In this video, I would like to share some of the best add-ons from Bproduction available on Blender Market currently on sale. Number 1 in the list is the Population add-on, one of the most promising crowd simulation add-on for Blender, currently available with 48 characters and its variations, photo scanned in 3D along with high-resolution 8K shaders. It comes with 55 different motion captures ready to use at your fingertips, including communication actions, daily life actions, sports actions, dance, walking, running, working, and many more to come. Any character can be assigned to any mocap and can be simulated in classic crowd mode, cluster mode, follow curve mode, and stadium mode as well. Each character is available in both high and low poly variations, which can be customized as per requirements. Now comes the Transportation add-on, one of the biggest vehicle pack with more than 78 ST models in 18 categories of vehicles, available in both high and low poly variations, all asset browser ready and can be used in both cycles as well as EV. It comes with more than 65 realistic car paint shaders and 300 backplates. Simply add your car to scene and it's ready to go. Easy to use customization interface along with HDRIs and backplates. Vehicles are rigged with wheel orientation, spinning wheels, drift, suspension and ground detection, which make it easy to animate. Then the Vegetation add-on, an impressive nature asset add-on, comes with more than 264 high quality assets optimized for Blender cycles and EV. Easy to use interface, and it comes with 4 season variations and adjustable controls for all assets, which gives infinite variations and endless possibilities along with high quality PBR textures. Now you can animate trees at light, medium and strong wind speed at the trunk and leaf levels, which adds to its realism. Then the Forestation add-on, which is one step further from Vegetation. This is for those who look for high quality 3D scan trees. Currently comes with 49 highly realistic 3D scan trees suitable for close-up shots. This add-on also comes with 4 season variations and possibilities of animation from leaf level. Then the Grass Blade add-on, an ultimate add-on for grass, weeds, fields and meadows, comes with more than 550 highly realistic assets and 204 biomes, which gives endless possibilities of customization. The interface gives full control of the color and seasonal adjustments along with proxy creation and cutting variations. Possibilities of scattering and weight painting is made simple in this add-on. Last but not the least is the powerful Gardner add-on, which gives life to bushes, hedges and shrubs. With over 350 high quality assets and 90 biomes, Gardner can get you a lifelike nature element in any shape you think of. Just select the shape you like and transform it to a nature element. This add-on also comes with possibilities for infinite color adjustments and variations and proxy creation optimized for viewport usage. As a professional designer with hands-on experience in handling these add-ons myself, I would say these add-ons have changed the way I use Blender to create outstanding lifelike visualizations in my daily life. It creates wonders out of it. Go for it when the sale is on. So if somebody likes to purchase these add-ons, I've given the links in the description. You can go there and then get to the add-ons to purchase it. Thank you.